Good morning, people. So it is just 12:30 and I just kind of got situated for the day, and now I am going to go clean up our car because haven't done that since we got back from our road trip, and it got quite messy in the last 2 weeks, so that's the plan. Let's go. Right, well now the car is significantly cleaner and the ground's significantly soapier. I'd say it's a job well done. So we did decide to come out for a walk today. We're going to go pennyboarding. But then I thought, instead of doing that, because it's a reasonably nice day, why don't we go to the beach? And I quite like this idea. But where'd Dad park? I found it. Found the car. Whoa! Keep falling. So it's the middle of winter, and there are people swimming in the ocean. Right there. It's freezing cold. The temperature's not cold, but the water's cold. So not about that life. But it is nice to walk on the beach, and I have missed the sand. Canada doesn't really have beaches. They have fake beaches that they try and say are beaches, but they aren't. These are real beaches. Country in a way. It's the middle of winter. I'm walking on the beach, barefoot, no jacket. It's not cold, and yeah, there are tropical countries where you can do that, but compared to Canada, Canadian winters, they're harsh, they're cold. Here, it's winter, you're on a beach. Sure, it's not Caribbean weather, but it's not snowing. You can walk in the ocean, right now. It's the ocean's here. I am here. It's not warm because it's the ocean, but it's not cold. You can go walk in the ocean and not get hypothermia. I mean, maybe if you're gonna go swimming in this weather, maybe don't, because use a wetsuit. But just walking. Oh, that's a lot deeper than I thought it would be, and a little bit colder. But it's the ocean. But I'm not too fussed. But it's truly beautiful. It's a beautiful country, and I think you just really have to truly appreciate the beauty of this country. No, yeah. Anyway, comment, and hit that subscribe button, and remember, follow along, because I'll be vlogging here.